Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing contrast themes on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Accessibility. In Accessibility Settings, select Contrast Themes. Here you can set a contrast theme. There are a few to choose from. Once you have selected the theme, you can edit it or apply it right away. You can use a keyboard shortcut to activate and deactivate the theme you set here. To do it, press Left Alt, Left Shift and Print Screen. You can also edit the selected theme to change the desired colours. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.